Welcome everyone to this video. In this video I will show you how to search by image or pictures on your Temu. So just pay attention in this video till the end. So first open your Temu. As you know, it will open directly on your homepage. Come to the search bar and click here on the picture or the camera icon. Click, for example, if you have the picture on your album, click select from the album. For me, I will take a picture. Click take a photo. And for example, I wanna search for this pen. Click here and click OK. It's scanning as you see, and right now it's showing me similar things to buy. So that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.